Okay, Sparky.
Okay, so you're thinking about remodeling a little bit.
You're thinking about it?
You're thinking about remodeling. Have you thought about remodeling for accessibility? Or let's call it aging in place. Or you could call it universal design.
Okay.
Call it whatever you want.
Okay.
But one of the most overlooked segments of the remodeling industry is universal design. So while of us that have been trained about it, like you are a certified, aren't you, in universal design?
Yep.
UCDP?
Yep.
When did you get trained?
Years ago.
Well, years ago.
Yeah,
but I understand the theory principles and have read many a good article about this.
Uh-huh.
So when you're trained in it, you know, as housing costs rise and many people are forced to stay where they are, like you can't afford to buy a bigger house or move, so you fix the place up. But you think about as you get older in, say, the next 10 years or 20 years, what your life might be like. So, you know, you might need to think about doing some things to make your life more comfortable later.
Okay.
So bath remodel is probably the most common and biggest bang for the buck, right? So what you need to consider when remodeling your bath might be wider doors. Most homes have 2-6 doors for bedrooms and 2-4 doors for baths.
Correct.
But if you're in a walker or a wheelchair, you need a minimum of 32 inches clear. So that would mean you need a 3-foot door.
Right.
So you'd want to go ahead and make that door wider. How about a curbless shower?
That'd be fun. Make the whole bathroom a shower base.
Yeah, make a flat shower entry, or a minimalist, like my mother-in-law's. I put a 3/4 inch marble strip to separate the two, and that gives me something to put the shower door on.
Got it.
But after tile, it's only a 1/4 inch.
Mm-hmm.
So literally, you could drag your feet across it, and still that's enough to stop the water from going out into the bathroom.
Right.
For whatever reason, up north, you always build a 4-inch tall curb, so you have to step into the shower.
Because that's the way we always did it.
Exactly. And you know what the dummies down here do? We put a 4-inch depression in a slab, so you have to step down. I still don't know why. It makes it harder on the concrete guy. Your drain's never in the middle. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's like, why are you doing that? Because that's how we've always done it.
Right.
Well, you got a hammer, hit yourself in the finger. Try doing that twice.
Right.
That's how we've always done it.
Right.
Anyway, add a seat in your shower with a handheld spray.
Yeah.
While you're doing it, because if you're stuck, if you're weak, you can sit down and still bathe yourself.
But I like it because you can put your legs up there and shave your legs. You know.
Hello, I was just going to say you could sit down there and shave your legs.
Yeah. Well, no, you turn. Right. You know, you put your foot up there and you can shave your legs, and then you take the handheld and you rinse your legs off. And
okay, I don't know how you shave your legs.
Yeah.
But I would find it easier to sit down than to put your leg up.
Oh, really?
I'm just saying.
Well, maybe I'll try that next time.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sorry, Rich. Back to you.
Okay then. Lever handle styles. Or lever style handles. Lever, yes. You want levers, not knobs.
That's it.
Knobs are hard to grab.
And he's just walking right out of the room. He's like, I'm done.
Go ahead, Rich. Keep going.
All right. You might need grab bars in the future. So if your walls are open, put backing in the walls centered at 36 inches. Throw a strip of 2x10s in the wall. Just go right around at 36 inch on the center. And then 10 years from now, if you need a grab bar, no problem. Drill through the tile and bolt that thing in there.
Boom,
Do
done.
it now. All right, kitchen remodels. This is second on everybody's list. Use wider aisles. We used to make sure we had 36 inches between countertops. Then the NKBA came out and said standard's 42 inches.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's not unusual for us to do 48 or 60 inches. You know, if it's a
not
two-person
unusual
working
to be loved by anyone. He started
That's
it.
right.
He started it.
Multi-height countertops. You've done 36 inch as a standard height, 42 inch for bar tops. But you ever think about doing your kitchen countertops at 30 inches so that they are now wheelchair accessible? So in other words, you know, you could do your standard countertop at 36, but do your island at 30, which then becomes a place you could sit to eat. It's a standard table height.
Right.
It also makes a place, if you were confined to a wheelchair, you can actually work there.
Right. Well, you could also do that for your kitchen sink. You could make the kitchen sink lower too. Yep. Just for accessibility also, if you wanted to do something like that.
Too.
And then you've seen the pull-out trays for your kitchen cabinet, right? You want to have that, like, that's nice. But did you know Revishelf is a manufacturer.
Sure.
They have these really cool things you put in your upper cabinets. So you can literally open the upper cabinets, pull this thing down, and everything will come out down to the almost countertop height.
Oh, it's like a lowering shelf. It comes out and
you
lowers.
literally can pull it out of the upper, and all of the stuff will come down to your height. So if you are in need of, extra and you can't get that high, they are awesome. Faucets with automatic controls, right? You got the motion sensor faucets that everybody makes. So that way, if your hands are messed up, you have arthritis, you don't have to reach, you just reach in. And then also, don't buy the battery ones. Every manufacturer where you have a battery for that
60.
motion sensor has a cord kit. So get the cord kit and plug the thing in.
Yes.
Because the battery will be dead when you got sketty sauce all over your hands.
Right. And then you got to try and
sketty sauce.
Sketty sauce.
Yeah, that's
so.
That's
all right,
the
for the rest of your
term.
home, I'm almost done.
Okay, go.
Hurry.
So the rest of the home, use doors that are minimum 32-inch wide. Use lever handles throughout on all your door handles. Avoid level changes. If you could do ranch, that's better.
What's a level?
If you have to have stairs, make them wider so you can add a lift. And here's one for Ron: lower light switches and raise outlets.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's true. All right. Hey, we're going to take a quick break. We'll come back with John from Smart 265 next. You're listening to
Mighty House.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return